Let's start with security governance. Now, I know governance sounds like one of those corporate buzzwords that can make your eyes glaze over, but stick with me here. It's actually fascinating stuff, especially when you see how it plays out in the real world. So what exactly is security governance? Think of it as the rule book for how security functions within an organization. It's the system of rules, practices, and processes that direct and control security. But here's the key. It's not about rules for rules' sake. Let me give you an example. Imagine two companies, both hit by ransomware. Company A has their operations down for 2 weeks, loses millions, and makes headlines for all the wrong reasons. Company B is back up and running in 2 days with minimal data loss and reputation damage. What's the difference? Often it comes down to governance. Company A probably treated security as an IT issue, something the tech team handles. Company B had security governance in place, meaning security was aligned with business objectives, had clear leadership support, and defined roles and responsibilities. Here's something that's going to be on your exam. Security governance ensures that security is aligned with overall organizational goals and objectives. In other words, security should be a business enabler, not a business blocker. Let me ask you, how many of you have ever worked with or heard of a security team that was known as the Department of No? No, you can't use that cloud service. No, you can't access that website. No, you can't deploy that application. Pause for acknowledgement. Yeah, we've all seen it. That's what happens when security isn't aligned with business objectives. When security governance is done right, it transforms security from a cost center to a business enabler. It's not about saying no, it's about saying, how can we do this securely? The fundamental purpose of security is to help the organization achieve its goals, not to block them, not to slow them down, but to enable them securely. That's a mindset shift that's absolutely crucial. On the exam, you'll see questions about governance frameworks, roles and responsibilities, and how security supports business objectives. Remember this, governance is about structure, accountability, and alignment. If you see a question asking about the primary purpose of security governance, the answer is likely related to aligning security with business objectives.